Here we have a SAT math problem. Okay, let's go to the question. The function f is defined by f of x equals to a times square root of x plus b, where a and b are constants and a is not equal to 0. In the xy plane, the graph of y equals to f of x passes through the point negative 24, 0 and f of 24 is less than 0. Which of the following must be true? Okay, now let's consider the given function over here. That is f of x equals to a times square root of x plus b. And also there is an information that y equals to f of x. Since y equals to f of x, let's replace f of x over here by y. Then the given function will become y equals to a times the square root of x plus b. And there is an information that the graph of the given function passes through the point negative 24, 0. Okay, so we can plug in the x coordinate negative 24 for x over here and the y coordinate 0 for y over here. Then we get 0 equals to a times the square root of negative 24 past b. Okay, here we get the result. The product of two values a and this one equals to 0. Whenever the product of two values equals to 0, one of the values has to be 0 or both of them may be 0. Okay, there is an information in the question that is a is not equal to 0. That is, in these two values, a is not equal to 0. Then the value of this one must be equal to 0. So that the product over here must be equal to 0. So that is square root of negative 24 positive b equals to 0. Now let's solve for b in this equation. For that we have to get the square root we have on the left side over here. Now let me square both sides of the equation. Here the square root and square will cancel out. I'm getting negative 24 positive b on the left side. On the right side the value of 0 square is just 0. Now let me add 24 to both sides of the equation. Okay, then we get negative 24 positive 24 will cancel out. I'm getting b equals to 24. Okay, here I got the value of b, that is 24. Actually, I'm getting a positive value for b, that is b is greater than 0. But answer choice b says b is less than 0. So this one cannot be true, it's false because b is greater than 0. Let's reject answer choice b. Now let's plug in this 24 for b over here into the given function. Then f of x equals to a times square root of x positive 24. Now let's consider this information over here. That is f of 24 is less than 0. We know that this is a stuff which is equal to f of x. Now to get the stuff for f of 24, we have to plug in this 24 for x over here. Then we get a times square root of 24 positive 24 less than 0. A times square root of 48 less than 0. Here we have a product of two values and the product is less than 0. That is, this product is negative. Whenever the product of two values is negative, one of the values has to be positive and the other value has to be negative. Here we know that the square root of 48 is positive. Then the value of a has to be negative, so that when I multiply this negative value and positive value, the product will be negative, that is less than 0. So that is a is negative, a is less than 0. Okay, here we get the result a is less than 0, but answer choice a says a is greater than 0. So it's false. Let's reject answer choice a. Okay, here we got that a is less than 0, that is a is negative and b equals to 24, that is b is positive. So a is negative and b is positive. Always a negative value is less than a positive value, that is a is less than b. So we get the result a is less than b, but in answer choice C, we have a is greater than b. It's false. Let's reject answer choice C. And we got this result a less than b in answer choice D. So in the given answer choices, a less than b must be true. The correct answer choice for this question is D.